New announcement about royalty tiers. If you are hearing this for the first time, pause this video and check your email to see which tier you are in. And if you don't have an ads account or you are in a lower tier, I am sorry, but business will be tough for you. You will get fewer royalties, just a tiny bit. If you still don't understand, let me tell you, there are now 3 tiers. The lowest one is the creator tier, then the plus tier, and then there is the premium tier. Let me explain. The creator tier has half the royalties for US products. So if you are someone who stopped ads and is not running any ads, or you are in a lower tier and don't have an ads account, you might get this. For example, for a tea with a price of $19.99, you get $4.88 right now, but in the creator tier, you get $2.44. That's like 40–50% fewer royalties. If you're in the plus tier, you get the same. It will all be the same for you. And in the premium tier, you get 8% extra royalties. So instead of $4.88, you get $5.27. I don't see any major change. I mean, 8% is no big change. But when they are cutting money, they cut 40–50% of your money. But when they have to give it back to the premium tier, they are like, okay, here's 8%, take it. No complaints for me, Amazon. What Amazon is trying to do is encourage people to drive traffic from outside or from ads. But how do they decide your tier? If you are driving at least 15% of your traffic organically or from ads, that will get you into the plus tier. The plus tier is again the same as what you have right now. Nothing will change for you. And if over 35% of your sales come from ads or other organic traffic like TikTok, Insta, or vlogs, you get the premium tier. Let's say you get 100 sales and 35 sales are from ads or organic, you get the premium tier. It is also tough to understand because there is no source where you can check your traffic from outside or organic sources. Now, Philip has 25% of his sales coming from ads, and he got the premium tier. And Adam is getting 26% of his sales from ads, and he got the plus tier. I checked my last 2 months' results for ads, and I get 40–45% of my sales from ads. Now, it's interesting to see which tier Jose gets because he's not running any ads. So I asked him, and I'll tell you when he replies. Also, Michael stopped running ads this year. I don't know about his tier. Juna is running ads, so I guess he will get the plus or premium tier. I think the lower tiers mostly get affected since they don't have an ads account. They probably are not driving a ton of free traffic. Also, the people not running ads will also need to start running ads. Tell me in the comments what tier you got into and if you are running ads or not. What I think is that it's all about ads because I don't think they even check outside organic traffic sources for every listing and merch user. I'm not sure how they are calculating it, and it's still all confusing. I hope Amazon gives some clarification, so if you are in the lower tier, I guess you need to start using ads. It will cause a lot of panic since there's a discount going on and your items get locked, and now you have to spend money on ads. It's going to be a little tough to manage. Now there's going to be a little more competition with ads since everyone is going to start running ads, and it's going to affect your CPC. It will increase your ad costs. But it's Amazon. For them, the customer is king. The good thing is not a lot of people will get into the lower creator tier, so there's nothing to panic about. It's not like TeePublic where they put everyone in a lower tier. Now, there is still time since the email you got is not your confirmed tier. You get 2 months to run ads and get your 15 or 35% of your sales from ads or organic, because you will receive a follow-up email on June 6th with your confirmed royalty group placement if your group changes. It's going to count this May and April to calculate your tier, so the game is still on. I think they know what they're doing, and they are fighting the competition with other e-commerce companies. But in between, merch sellers get stuck. Since I get 40–45% of my sales from ads, I can say that if you have to get 35% of your sales from ads, you have to spend 50 or more of your income on ads, and now it will be more tough. Also, they stopped tiering up your slots, and it's been more than a year. If you are still confused, ask your questions to Amazon support, so things might get clearer. Comment what you think and what tier you are in. I hope you are not affected by this, and if you are, there are still 2 months to recover and take chances. Don't worry. One thing you can do is start selling in other countries like Germany and France and all. If you don't have an ads account or you are someone who wants to join merch, it's not full-time passive income anymore. Make sure you have another source of income or start working on that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.